This demonstration walks through the process of setting up web policies on the Sophos XG firewall. Let's take a look at a common scenario where a web protection rule could be required. In this scenario, the administrator of a company has been asked to create a web protection rule to completely block online chat applications. Let's take a look at how to do this on the XG firewall. Let's start off by navigating to Web and Policies. Here we can see all of the pre-existing default web policies that already exist on the XG firewall. I'll select Edit on the default policy to view the rules that are contained within it. From the Edit Policy screen, we can either enable or disable a particular rule, specify rule action, schedule the rule to run at a specific time, or remove activities within the rule. Let's hit Cancel and go back to the previous screen. Now we'll go ahead and add a new web policy. To do this, we'll click on Add Policy in the top right corner. Here we can specify a policy name, description, and we can also add and customize rules. Now let's look at how we would apply a web policy. We'll cancel out of this and navigate to Firewall. Here we'll select Add Firewall Rule in the top right corner, and then we'll select User or Network Rule. Here we're going to specify a rule name. For source zone, we'll select LAN, and for destination zone, we're going to select WAN. We'll deselect Match Known Users, and we must select Scan HTTP. This is required. We're also going to select Decrypt and Scan HTTPS. It's worth noting that to use HTTPS Decrypt and Scan, the Sophos Firewall's SSL CA must be imported onto each of the client machines in your network so that it's in the Trusted Root Certificate Authority section of the browser in order for Decrypt and Scan HTTPS to work properly. Now we'll specify our web policy that we're going to use. This is going to be done under the Web Policy drop-down menu. Here we've got the ability to choose from the policies that we saw in the web section. Let's select the No Online Chat policy. Once that's done, we'll click Save and we'll finish creating our firewall rule. In this demonstration, we basically walk through the process of creating and editing web policies, as well as the rules contained within them, as well as how to apply these web policies to network traffic as well as users.